ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड थी फॉर द गिफ्ट्स फ्रॉम लास्ट मेनी डेज, बट मैंने नहीं खोले गिफ्ट्स बिकॉज मैं आप सबके साथ खोलना चाहती थी. आई वांटेड टू शो यू ऑल एंड व्हाट्स माय एक्सप्रेशन. ओके फाइन, सो आई वोंट फेक इट एट ऑल. देयर आर सम गिफ्ट्स, देयर आर फ्यू ऑफ गिफ्ट्स व्हिच आई नो क्या है, क्योंकि वो मैंने खुद से मंगाए. बट मोर देन हाफ ऑफ द गिफ्ट्स आर द वंस जो मेरी मम्मा ने मंगाए हैं एंड आई डोंट नो उसमें क्या है. ठीक है, so let me tell you something about my choice. First of all, I'm a very basic person. I don't like कि मेरे ऊपर ज़्यादा पैसे खर्च होएं या फिर मेरे को कुछ ज़्यादा कोई महंगी चीज़ मिले, इसलिए मैंने पहले ही बोल दिया था आई वांट सम बेसिक थिंग्स लाइक जो ज़्यादा महंगी ना हो एंड मेरे काम भी आए. सो इफ़ यू गाइस थिंक कि अरे ये क्या दिया है, सो ऐसा नहीं है कि मुझे पसंद नहीं है, कि अगर वो मेरी काम की चीज़ है देन आई लव इट. एंड वन थिंग मोर दैट मैं जितने भी गिफ्ट्स है ना जो ऑनलाइन मंगाए हैं उनका डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मैं लिंक डाल दूंगी, ताकि अगर आप लोगों को पसंद आया, अगर आप लोग लेना चाहो तो आप लोग वहाँ डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक से जाके ले सकते हैं. तो सबसे पहले शुरू करते हैं इस सबसे बड़े गिफ्ट से जो कि मुझे काफ़ी ज़्यादा पसंद है एंड मुझे पता भी है इसमें क्या है, बट आई वांट टू ओपन इट इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू एंड आई वांट टू शो यू गाइस आल्सो. फाइन, सो खोलते हैं हम इसे. वैसे इसको देख के आप सबको भी अंदाजा, लाइक आप लोगों ने अंदाजा लगा लिया होगा कि इसमें क्या है. ओके, सो दिस इज माय handbag, my first ever handbag. Like, you know, I'm obsessed about bags, like any type of bags. Let it be a backpack, sling bag, tote bag, any bag. I'm obsessed about bags. I'm obsessed about heels. I'm obsessed about. I'll discuss it later. Fine. So this is my bag. And this is my छोटा सा भालू जो मेरे को मेरे पिछले बर्थडे पे गिफ्ट दिया था मम्मा ने. So this is my handbag. First one. Moving towards the second one. I don't know what's there. Okay, so this is a dream catcher earring. Yeah, key ring. Yeah, I guess I'm not wrong. This is called a dream catcher. Fine. So this is a dream catcher key ring, and I'm loving it. So this is the second one. Now, mom, which one?
Anyone.
Any. So this small one. You know, मैं सुबह से देख रही हूँ इसे, but I don't know what is there. I want to know
Toffee.
what's there. Mom, come
Or a chocolate.
So this is a Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick. Fine. I've never used a lipstick. This is a sugar lipstick, liquid lipstick. So this is my first ever lipstick. Fine. So let's open this one. Something jewelry, I guess there is, because it's written jewels, guys. I'm sorry जो मैंने अभी इतना बड़ा मुंह खोला, because those are my favorite things now. You see how many rings are there? I want to show it in the close up. There are so many rings. Okay, I'm obsessed about rings. You see, ये तो कुछ भी नहीं है. You know, whenever I go anywhere where I see rings, mom, I want to buy rings. And there was a time when I had like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, like so many rings in my hand. Oh my god, I'm so happy. So this is another thing I'm obsessed about. Let me show you guys. So these are my sneakers. I'll keep them down. So these are my Marston Harbour sneakers. I'm loving them so much because you know I'm obsessed about heels and shoes. So मैंने एक तो आपको पहले दिखाया था all about you heels जो मैंने अभी खोली थी थोड़ी देर पहले, and then these shoes. मेरे बर्थडे पे shoes and heels are must because I love them a lot. Fine. तो ये मुझे पता था ये क्या था. Now moving further, what I don't know. Let's take this. Okay, so this is a shower gel from the Body Shop. Okay, what is this? Okay, I feel like this is my baby lips or something. So my baby lips is the most needed thing, which I need it the most. I'm obsessed about lip balms, so I need it the most. Fine. Another thing which I already know what's in it. I'll show you. Fine. So I love traveling. Though I don't travel much because अभी मैं इतनी बड़ी नहीं हुई हूँ कि मैं अपने लिए खुद से करूँ. I don't travel much क्योंकि colleges, then पापा का काम, मम्मा का school, भाई का school, everything. But still, this is my travel pouch, travel kit, which we used to say. I'm obsessed with the yellow color. So this is a travel kit. You see, there's one area to breathe, and there's a zip here. So this is a nice one. इसका आप close up में दिखाना चाहोगे, मम्मा? So you can see, it's too good. Fine. So now the thing I don't know. Yeah, this also one thing. It feels like someone has gifted me a pen. I want to see. You remember बचपन में हम लोग खाते थे वो गोल गोल स्टिक्स आती थी चॉकलेट्स की स्ट्रॉबेरीज की पूरा बॉक्स भर.
This is the only makeup you use.
Eyeliner. That too very rare. But don't tell me now. Let me see it myself, Mom. Okay, so this is a Maybelline New York, the whatever liner. I don't know anything about makeup except a liner and a lip balm and lipstick. इसके अलावा मुझे कुछ नहीं पता, जबकि मैं यूज भी सिर्फ लाइनर करती हूँ एंड अ लिप बाम. आई डोंट इवन अप्लाई लाइनर. मेरे को आई लाइनर लगाना नहीं आता, लिटरली नहीं आता. whenever I want to put an eyeliner, I go, मम्मा eyeliner लगा दो ना. And my mom is like, she has masters in it. So, another thing which I don't know, मुझे लगता है डोंट नो कर करके ना मैं लास्ट में वही सारी चीजें बताऊंगी which I know. Where are the things which I know? हाँ, they are there. What is there? I can see vague out in here. Oh, this is a hairbrush. Fine. Hairbrush. I need it a lot. I used to keep my comb with me. It was here right now. I don't know where it is. It was here with me. So, मेरे बाल पता नहीं कैसे से हैं. मतलब since I've got my hair cut done, मेरे बाल ऐसे अजीब से चिपक से जाते हैं and I need to comb my hair like after every hour or half an hour. So hairbrush. Next thing, okay, the next one is what I know. So this is my, okay, I'm not gonna tell you, I'll show you. So this is my H&M top. This is a very basic top. You can see a solid top, which is a very basic top. And मैंने ये इसलिए लिया because I wanted a top like this, जो कि मैं अपने साथ लेके high waist jeans में tuck करके. You see there is a slit here. There's this slit. So आगे से थोड़ा tuck करके पीछे से open. I wanted something like that, and I love basic colors and solid t-shirts or top. So this one. इसकी भी अलग स्टोरी है जो कि मैं यहाँ पे बिल्कुल डिस्क्लोज नहीं करना चाहती हूँ. So what is this? हाँ, this I know. मैंने काफी मुश्किल से पैक किया था कि मैंने ही पैक किया है. See, I told you I won't fail. मैंने पैक किया है. These are my JBL earphones. You must be thinking कि सब लोग wireless earphones लेते हैं, headphones लेते हैं. Then why am I going for these wired earphones? Just some basic earphones. I told you in the starting that I'm a very basic person. Moving towards the next gift. Should I open it?
Yes.
I need to take permission ना मम्मा से. कैमरा में लाऊं ना लाऊं. This is a watch. Is it? No. ब्रेसलेट ना. ओके, पता है इसको देख के ना मुझे काफी ज्यादा छोड़ो, एक हरियाणवी सॉन्ग की याद आई है. I won't sing it in front of you guys because
नहीं आने दे, आज
No, no,
तेरा
no,
बर्थडे
it's not
आने
at
दे.
all. So I'll take this one first of all. Okay, I've already opened this gift. So लॉकडाउन है तो कहीं बाहर आ जा नहीं सकते हैं, दोस्तों से नहीं मिल सकते हैं. बट दिस इज द ओनली गिफ्ट माई फ्रेंड्स बॉट मी. लाइक वन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड, लाइक दे केम टू माई प्लेस एंड केक काटा. आई गेस मैं वीडियो डालूंगी, मैंने वीडियो बनाया स्पेशली.
Then two were there, I think.
Yeah,
अगर
two
आप
were
वीडियो भी
there.
डालने वाले थे.
Yeah, two were there, but gift was by one.
Okay.
Fine. So this is a bag by Chumbak, and I'm being honest. मुझे चुंबक के bags बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है, and I wanted a handbag also, a tote bag of Chumbak. But then I thought I'll go with this one, Alan Soli. But I told you I'm obsessed about backpacks, handbags, sling bags. So I love it. I'm loving it. This is something heavy. Should I open?
It's a sweet box. Come on, open.
Come on. What is it? I'll see first of all if I like it and I'll show you. अरे सीधा कहाँ से है? No, this is not a sweet box. What is this? Oh my god. See guys? This is what I'm loving, and especially this map you see here. I love traveling, like I literally love traveling, and this love you mama. I'm not being over dramatic, okay? I'll keep it in my bag. I forgot to show you. See, I have a pouch also with my bag. This is a very good pouch. Mama, zoom करके दिखाओ please. See, you see, this is very good. अंदर से मैं दिखाऊंगी नहीं क्योंकि इसके अंदर मेरे को यहीं से हाथ ला के पता चल रहा है कि इसके अंदर न्यूज़पेपर्स और पेपर्स हैं. So I cannot. All About You. So these are my flats from All About You. I won't touch the base though it's मैंने पहनी नहीं है, सिर्फ ट्राई करी थी तो काफी लाइट है. क्या है इसमें? मुझे लगता है काफी सारी ज्वेलरीज मिल गई है मेरे को आज. You see the box first of all. Wow. See the box. See, right? गिरे जा रहे सब कुछ भर लिया मैंने यहाँ पे. Oh, these are earrings. Wow, these are so cute ones. They're dancing. What does it say? It says blueberry. I wish there was blueberry cheesecake. I love it. This is a pack. This package is happy to see you too. Oh, thank you. You're happy to see me. What is this? What is this? Thank you. Anklets. Oh, anklets. Fine. I understood. See, this is so cute, na? So basic, simple. I like it. Oh, this is very complicated type of earring. मुझे काफी यार
Trending. These are trending.
These are trending. Okay, so ये earrings जो है ना ये ऐसे है.
It is okay, Janya.
No, I want to show them. Fast forward कर. यार देख लो यार, और ज्यादा मुझसे नहीं हो रहा है. मतलब ये यहाँ से ऐसे और ये ईयर के पीछे से है, right mom?
Yes.
Yeah, so this is what my mom bought me. Okay, so I'm ending with some of my favorite gifts here. Every gift is my favorite gift. I don't know why my rings keep on falling. So loose. This wasn't so loose. This is now so loose.
Janya, weak हो गए हो ना बेटा, इसलिए.
Thank you all. all for watching this video of mine, all my birthday gifts, because I wanted to show you all. इसलिए मैंने पूरे दिन में gifts खोले नहीं थे. So now when I've showed it to you all, I don't know. I feel like sharing everything with you guys because you have been a part of me, like my YouTube community. So I love you guys, and thanks for watching my video. Thanks for everything. Thanks for making my birthday so special, for all the wishes also. So I hope to see you all guys later too. Thank you all for watching this video. Thanks for my birthday. I love you all. Goodbye.